If you want to learn how I doubled my reach using hashtags, then stay tuned. Hello, Just Start gang. It's Shanique here from startwithneeks.com, and you can catch me on Instagram. Welcome back to the top channel for you Christian millennial girl bosses who want to get over fear, ditch 9 to 5, and finally start a business. If you want to learn how I doubled my reach using hashtags, then stay tuned. And if you want to learn how to not abuse hashtags on your Instagram account so you don't risk your account being blocked, then stay tuned. And you also want to stay tuned if you want to learn a super simple hashtag strategy that's going to help you get more eyes on your page, so that's more opportunity to get more followers and more potential clients into your business. This video is going to be super quick because it doesn't have to be rocket science. It's hashtags. Hashtags are a timeless tool that you're going to need to help grow your Instagram. If you want to know other strategies to grow your Instagram, then check out this video. But in this video, I'm going to share with you how I doubled my reach on my post, because in my last video I shared with you why Instagram is getting a little bit more difficult to grow, and one of the reasons is because they're limiting the reach. However, if you stick to these simple, easy hashtag rules, you're going to beat that and grow your business by attracting potential clients. The first simple and obvious tip is to make sure your hashtags are relatable to your account, your niche, and specifically your post. Instagram has an artificial intelligence that can spot exactly what's in your post without you using hashtag. So if you're using hashtag boat and you have a picture of you in the park with no boat in sight, Instagram can tell that, and that can harm your reach because they're not going to push that picture in that boat hashtag. So you just wasted your valuable hashtag real estate by wasting a hashtag that has nothing to do with your picture. Also, when you're using a hashtag that is not relatable, specific to the post, specific to your niche, and specific to you, then you attract people that have nothing to do with you and won't be engaged in your content anyways. So again, you just wasted valuable hashtag real estate by using a useless hashtag. The next simple hashtag tip strategy is to not use any more than 15 to 20 hashtags. The cutoff is 30 hashtags, and then Instagram automatically starts to believe that you are a spam page once you use more than 30 hashtags. But if you're using 15 to 20 valuable hashtags that make sense to you and your niche, then you're not going to need to use all these random hashtags. And if you want to find out how to really max out those 15 to 25 hashtags that is beneficial for your growth, then you're going to want to stick to the next tip. I often find people using all these hashtags and all these mega huge hashtags with so many posts already in them that even if they have a huge impression rate, they have nobody clicking on their post and actually engaging with them. And if they do have anyone engaging with them, it is probably a bot or a spam account. And what you really want are real people engaging with you, because when you have real people engaging with you, that is real potential clients, that are real people to actually share your post to expand your reach on your specific post. And when you are using hashtag correctly, you're going to get more people on your page. But if your content is not up to par and everything's not set right for Instagram, then even if you have a lot of people on your page, you're not going to be able to convert them into followers. So be sure to download my free Boss Up Your Instagram checklist to make sure that your Instagram is set up properly to engage with the new people coming onto your page using this Instagram hashtag strategy. So if you did not listen to anything else in this video, this is what you want to listen to. This is the strategy that top Instagram accounts use, and I've used it myself and I've seen a double in my reach when using this strategy. When you are using hashtags, you want to group your hashtags in 4 categories. Grouping your hashtags in mega, average, minor, and niche. The first category is mega. You want to find hashtags in your niche specific to your post that are ranging from 500,000 posts to 1 million to 1 million posts. Anything greater than 1.5 million, you're going to be attracting spams and bot page. Especially as a growing Instagram page, you can't really compete with hashtags that have more than 1.5 million. And it's going to be a waste of your hashtags if you're using hashtags that you can't even really rank in. Your mega should be 3 to 2 hashtags. Next, you want 3 to 5 hashtags in the average range, which is 100,000 to 500,000 posts. And you can find the number of hashtag by simply just searching the hashtags, and Instagram shows you right there how many posts are in that hashtag. It does take a little bit of time, but it's worth it because you want to be strategic when it comes to Instagram. You can't just throw pictures out there and expect everyone to find you. You want to be strategic, and this is why this strategy works. You're going to get your posts exposed to different categories from different ranges of posts and being able to have a better chance of being found and being ranked in that specific hashtag. The next category is minor. So that's hashtags ranging from 50,000 to 100,000 posts, specific to your niche, your business, to you, and the post even more specifically. The next category is your niche category, and I believe this is the bread and butter to really be found and really attract their potential clients in order to really bring a profit to their business versus vanity metrics. Anywhere from 5,000 hashtags to 50,000 hashtags. And these are hashtags a little bit more specific, catered to your niche. So for example, mine would be Christian bloggers, Christian YouTubers, Christian entrepreneurs. So it's a little bit more specific. Someone who's actually in this niche would be searching for it. Using 3 to 5 hashtags from each of these categories will easily get you 18 to 25 hashtags already. So it's not that hard to find hashtags. The only time consuming part of this is actually finding specific hashtags that work specifically to your post and to your business. I also suggest that you make roughly 5 different groups of hashtag groups. I'll show you my screen here of how I make sure to rotate my hashtags so Instagram doesn't see me as a spam page if I'm using the same hashtag over and over and over again. I have a few hashtag groups that I can rotate between, all with either some with the similar hashtags and some with not, but they all have the category groups in each of them. So here's a bonus. The infamous question answered. Is it better to put your hashtag straight into the caption or into your comments? So I experimented with this question. These are the results of 2 different posts, roughly similar in appearances, both quotes. And if you see here, this is the results for when I put the hashtags in the caption. And this is the results when I put the same hashtags with a similar post in the comment section. So you can clearly see that you've seen a double in the reach when I do put the hashtags in the comment section. I actually tested it out and I've seen a huge improvement when it's in the actual comment. All right, just start gang. So what you do want to do is stay tuned to next Friday because I'm going to share with you the right mindset to really build your Instagram right. So I'm going to share with you what you really need to have inside you to grow the best and most profitable and most engaging and most impactful Instagram account that you can. In the meantime, be sure to watch these 2 videos that really help you overcome fear, ditch the 9 to 5, and build your business. If you love this video, be sure to show me with a thumbs up, subscribe, and keep on sharing the good news and keep up the great work. I'll see you in my next video.